Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Monte, Queensland with two crazy dogs today. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I've just put some black paint on, and I'm going to do a centre swipe, and I'm going to be using red, orange and yellow, to which I've added 3 or 4 drops of silicone. And I haven't had much luck getting cells lately, so maybe today will be a different one. And I kind of wanted it to look a bit fiery, and I hope that this is what's going to happen. Oops, stand up please. So that was the orange and this is the red. Try not to get too much onto that centerpiece there, which is where the black will go, and some yellow. Hey, that's my table. Okay, so I've got that part done. And some black. Here's hoping. I will be tilting it. Oh, who said she didn't get cells lately? Perhaps I've been putting too much silicone in, you can do that too. But I will have to tilt this a bit to get the effect that I want. And around you go. I think I've got too much paint. I'm going to spoil what I wanted. I'm hoping not. As you can see. Back into the centre please. Okay. Oh yes. You guys are really being naughty today. I don't even think they care. So, just moving some of these colours a bit. Sadly, it isn't exactly what I envisaged, but having said that, it's not far off it either. I wonder why that one's, let me say that again, wonder why this one's so dark. Soon find out. It's not dark anymore. Another darky spot over here, which I will put some yellow. Okay. Maybe that needs a little bit of yellow as well. Yes. Oh, I think that's rather nice. There's another piece that needs a bit of a fix. Okay, so some yellow. Well, oh goodness. Okay, let's scratch some of that off. Over you go. Sometimes I get a little excited. Okay, so that's pretty. Mixed in the red with it. Alright. And a torch. Cloth for my hands. I want everything. Where's this torch? Never really find it when I'm looking for it. No, 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 no. Where are you? Just close this door so I haven't got the wind. Winston will go off cook now. Getting some nice cells. That should do, I'd say. Got rid of the air bubbles. Okay, Winston and Mrs. Bucker. Alright, well I'll bring you down to have a look at this one because it's really quite pretty. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come there and join us. And this is what I've been looking at. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate it when people give them the thumbs up or share. Put it up somewhere on your Facebook or Twitter or somewhere. That's good. Share it around, let people see how pretty it is. Well, I certainly hope that you've enjoyed this. As I've asked, please give it the thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.